Hey there, fellow web visitors. Have you ever felt like your web pages are stuck in a boring, basic bulleted list loop? Well, today we are going beyond the UL and OL, that's right, we are diving into the other list of HTML. Think of these as the secret menu items at your favorite cafe. Really? Used but absolutely amazing. Imagine impressing your friends by casually throwing around terms like description list instead of boring old bullet point. Trust me, they'll think you are coding genius or they are just stored at you like you are a nerd. Either way, it's a win or win. Now, computer, why not to use unordered lists? Me, because I like to live dangerously, so buckle up because this is going to be a list statistic right. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding. Yeah, loving it. So guys, let's talk about in the Python what are in the HTML sorry what are other list. And this is our last video of this year. Okay, this is our last video of 2024 year. Okay, so I make up many videos in this year and many videos, but in the next from the next year in 2025 today all people are celebrating the EV of the new year, and the tomorrow is the new year first date. So I'm very excited for it. But anyways, let's talk about let's come on our topic, and our topic is about in the HTML what are other list. I told you about the unordered list, ordered list, so let me talk about the other list. HTML all support the description list. This video is very smaller. Let me show you. Okay, this video is still here only, so that's why this video is very smaller. Okay, HTML also supports the description list, which list description list. So many people do not know what is the description list. Description list is a list of terms with a description of each item. The DL tag. The DL tag define a description list. Okay, which tag? DL tag. It define a description list. The DT tag. In the DL tag, there is one more tag, DT tag. This DT tag defines the term name, and the DD tag. There is one more tag by the name of DD tag. This describes each term. Okay. Here, first of all, we create a DL tag means description list. Then DT tag, and I have told you about a DT tag. It tags define the term name, and here we use here we use the DD tag that describes each term. So let's run this code. So to do this, you only want to do it. First of all, you create a window and then create a file index.html, and I'm making this file on here. Starting code. You always know when we write the HTML code. So first of all, we write a starting code. Now body. First of all, DL tag, then DT. In DT, I'm writing coffee. Then I'm writing DD. Then I'm writing black hot coffee. So like that I'm writing. So like that you can make your own other list. So like that you can make it. So I write DT one more time. Now I'm writing here milk. Okay. And the DD I'm writing here white cold drink. Okay, perfect. Now when I save it and when I come on it here and when I open my document, when I open my index.html file, so it is looking like this. This is called the other list. What is called? This is called the other list. Means description list. Okay, means when we define when we give the order, so there is coming like black hot coffee. Then when we define a milk, so there is coming white cold drink. So like that we can do it. So this is called the description list. What this is called? This is a description list, and I told you about how to create it. This is called a description list. Chapter summary. In today's video, we use the HTML DL element to define a description list. In today's video, we use the HTML DT element to define the description term. And in this video, we also use the DD element to describe the term in description list. Okay. So like that, you can create a description list, or if you create a many description list like DT, like I'm creating milk, coffee, milk. I'm writing here milkshake. Then in the milkshake, I'm writing here chocolate. milkshake. Save, save, right. So it's coming like chocolate milkshake. So like that, like that you can create your description list. So in today's video, I told you about the in the HTML what are other list, and I know this video is very smaller because this video is very smaller because in today's video I just told you about the description list, so that's why the video is smaller. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this last class of the 2024 year. Okay, so from the next from the tomorrow the new year has been coming. So in the new year, in this year we learn many things. Okay, like about like in this series we learn about, we start a full stack web development and many languages we learn. We make a Amazon, these type of languages. So if you want to see that, you only search in my channel CodeWithPk, and then you search it. So my channel has been came, click on it here, and then and come on it on my videos. So in this year we upload a video on Airbnb restaurant, we upload a Python full course in this year, and then I upload we learn about the Python DSA, full Python DSA. We create a Microsoft clone, and we create a Figma to HTML CSS and JavaScript. Then we make a Discord clone, PayPal, and then like many things we created in this year. So I hope you enjoy my all videos in this year. So if you enjoy, so please like, share, and subscribe. And this year I told you about the Skype, Skippy, Python, Pandas, Nuppy, these all things I told you about. So I hope you enjoyed your year this year, and I hope you enjoyed this video also. So from the next from tomorrow we are starting our new year, new video. Okay, so but anyways, now I give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come on the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. And now best of luck for your new year 2025. So best luck for it. So but anyways, now let's give the outro of this video. Alright folks, now you know there's more to list than just bullets and numbers, with definition list, description list, and all those fancy ESMC tags. Your websites are about to get a serious glow up. If you found this video helpful, or if I made you laugh even once, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite list worthy thing in life, mine, pizza toppings, and videos ideas from amazing viewers like you. So goodbye.